there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with two contenders ready to sweep you off your feet. On the left, we have the Mopping robot vacuum and mop combo, and on the right, the LiDAR 3-in-1 robot vacuum. It's a dust-busting showdown you won't want to miss. First up, let's talk about the P word, price. Mopping comes in at a wallet-friendly $196. Meanwhile, LiDAR is over there, flexing with a hefty $599 price tag. For that price, you'd think it would come with a butler named Jeeves. Now let's dive into the features. Mopping is a 2-in-1 wonder, offering both vacuuming and mopping. It's got 1,400 pascal suction, smart app and voice control, and even obstacle avoidance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. On the other hand, LiDAR is like the James Bond of vacuums. It's got 4,500 pascals suction. Yeah, you heard that right, 4,500 pascals. This thing could probably vacuum your soul. Plus, it has PreSense LiDAR navigation, 6 cleaning modes, and a self-emptying dock that holds dirt for up to 60 days. It's like a vacuum and a personal assistant rolled into one. Mopping offers 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. It's like having a tiny choreographer dancing around your house. But LiDAR takes it up a notch with 6 modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, Zigzag, Scheduled, and Manual. It's basically the Swiss Army knife on steroids. If these vacuums were in a dance-off, LiDAR would be doing the moonwalk while Mopping does the cha-cha. Battery life is crucial, especially if you have a house that's more maze than home. Mopping boasts a 100-minute runtime with a 2,500 mAh battery. Not too shabby for a budget-friendly option. LiDAR, however, struts in with a 120-minute runtime and lithium iron phosphate batteries. It's like the Energizer Bunny of robot vacuums. It just keeps going and going and going. Suction power is where these two really show their true colors. Mopping has a respectable 1,400 pascals, which is great for daily dust and pet hair. Think of it as the reliable sedan of vacuums. LiDAR, on the other hand, comes in like a vacuuming superhero with 4,500 pascals. This thing could probably suck the paint off your walls if you're not careful. It's the muscle car of robot vacuums. Reviewers have praised the Man-Full robot vacuum and mop combo for being a budget-friendly, efficient cleaner that's great for pet owners and everyday messes. However, some have noted it can get stuck on rugs and thin wires. On the other hand, the LiDAR 3-in-1 robot vacuum is lauded for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and self-emptying feature. Some minor drawbacks include its higher price and a somewhat challenging app setup. So which robot vacuum is right for you? If you're on a budget and need a reliable cleaner, Mopping is your go-to. But if you want the creme de la creme of cleaning gadgets and you've got the cash to splash, LiDAR is your new best friend. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buying tip from us. Until next time, keep it clean, keep it smart, and always buy smart. Product links are in the description.